If you need to remove a payment method from your Hotels.com account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is updated securely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Payment Information. Click on this option to view all the payment methods currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it, such as Remove or Delete. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to remove the selected payment method. Confirm your choice, and the payment method will be removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods on Hotels.com. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.